Morning everyone, you've got James from KVA Systems Australia, and today I'm here to show you a second-hand diesel generator that's coming, which is an ES62 D5. It's a Cummins, it's a S3.8 4-cylinder diesel engine, and it's 68 KVA, which gives you a little over 100 amps. Now what I'll do, I'll start it up and show it to you. It does have a reconditioned Stanford alternator and a Cummins power command controller. I'll start it up. The unit does have its own onboard belly tank as well. It does have an extended exhaust which can be taken off if you'd like. If you want to get in contact with us, 1300 453 054 or www.powersystemsaustralia.com.au. We're also on Machines for You, so feel free to have a look through our profile there. Thank you.